Hey folks, I'm Walter, and would you spend over $2,000 for a drink package for two of you on a 7-night cruise? Norwegian seems to think so. Hey, now first of all, we love Norwegian Cruise Line. They have great food, they have great cruise, and I got this little plushie on the last one on the Escape. So they're a great cruise line, but no lie, they have just come out with a premium drinks package that is $138 per night per person, plus a 20% gratuity on top of that. Now, if we flash back a couple months ago, this is what I said about drink packages for us. And on this cruise, we decided, nope, we're not going to get the drink package. So it's $52 per day, about, per person for the 7 nights. So regardless to say, our eyes kind of bugged out when we saw this as $138 per person per night. But let's take a look at the, the standard package that they're always throwing in for free, and this package, and how do they compare, and how much does this really cost, and what could you do for all of that money? Well, first of all, they value the original package at $109, and that's the one that they keep throwing in a lot. Free unlimited bar. It includes alcohol up to $15, like it says below $15, so $14.99. Does not include specialty coffee, so you would have to pay for the specialty coffees. And it does not include top shelf alcohol, which honestly, if you're doing mixed drinks, you're really not gonna notice the difference anyway. But they value that at $109. And keep in mind, if you accept that free unlimited bar, you're still responsible for the gratuities. As of the time I'm recording this, that is 20%. So on a 7-night cruise, it's going to be $152 gratuity per person, or just over $300 for the cabin for saying, yes, I want free drink. Now, if you're a light drinker, you actually may not spend $300 on soda and your cocktail, so you actually may end up spending more just for the gratuities. You can decline that offer and just simply pay a la carte like we do. But now let's take a look at the new Premium Plus beverage package at $138 per day per person. All adults in the cabin have to get it, and as of right now, when I record this, it's a 20% gratuity on top of that. So what does the math look like? Well, I was gonna do it, but our friends at This Cruise Life did it for me. $138 a day plus the gratuity, that's $165.60 per day. Times 7 days on the cruise, $1,159.20, and all of the adults in the cabin have to get it. So let's say you're a party of 2. Okay, so let's put $1,159.20 times 2, carry the 1, $2,318.40. For a 7-day cruise, you will be spending $2,318.40 for alcoholic drinks, for coffee, for soft drinks, and plus you're going to be paying for your cruise on top of that. Now, there are a couple of interesting things about this plan, and 2 in particular caught my eye. Number 1, eligible guests are entitled to 2 beverages per person per transaction. So does that mean I can get a drink for myself and somebody else at the same time, or are they just going to limit you and say you can get a soft drink and an alcoholic beverage? I don't know. They don't tell us. The other thing is, this does not include the mini bar that's in your cabin. So if you or one of your guests opens up that mini bar and grabs something out of it, you're paying extra for that on top of the $2,300 that you are giving Norwegian. Now, what can you get for $2,318.40? Let's put that up on the board. All right, number 1, the Norwegian Encore. I can take a 7-night cruise in the balcony, January 22nd, January 29th, February 5th, and February 12th for that amount of money. I can get an ocean view cabin on the brand new Prima for 7 nights, January 8th, 15th, February 5th, and February 12th. Want something even better? How about 9 days on the Sky, a 9-day cruise? I can go in the balcony on April 8th, or I can get an ocean view March 21st, April 8th, April 17th, and April 26th for the same price as that drink package. You want one even better? How about 12? Yeah, a 12-day cruise for that much on the Norwegian Joy, getting an ocean view cabin. Or for $500 more than that, I can get a balcony for a 12-day cruise. So again, we love Norwegian Cruise Line, we really do, and I don't really want to pick on them, but $138, actually $165 per day per person for drinks, coffee, alcohol, soft drinks. I don't see the value in that. And if any of you see the value in that and you're planning to do this plan, I would seriously, I'm not going to judge. I would like to know in the comments how you see the value in what Norwegian is offering at $165 per day. What Rebecca and I have taken to doing now is getting a refreshment package, and then we'll pay for the alcohol on top, because Rebecca honestly doesn't drink as much alcohol as she used to. She's really getting into the mocktails, which are very often included in a refreshment package. Me, as long as the coffee is included in the refreshment package, I am all for it, because I will drink more specialty coffees than I will with alcohol. So what do you all think? I really want to hear down in the comments. Will you spend $165 per day to get your drinks for free on a Norwegian cruise ship? Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you're getting some value out of this, please make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and hey, make sure you check out the merch store too. Lots of fun stuff in there. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for your support.